So just
And
put
just,
I just put on my finger and spread it. Just a thin film. There you go, that's thin. And that's to fill in the low spots or the voids in the metal, because different people before you have worked on it and maybe scratched the fascias or scored them or used a screwdriver and dragged a groove in it. And that's the high temperature dope. That exchanger only gets up to 180 degrees, so we're well within the temperature limits of the dope.
you probably don't want to block that hole, right?
Well, the bolt goes in the hole, so that's
Yeah.
not a problem.
Okay.
Okay.